Maggie Films, and I'm about to premiere a brand new movie called Rough When You Can't Read. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah man, so I just wanna thank you all for your loyal support in advance. Just tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them family overseas, everywhere to tune in and subscribe.
Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Rough when you can't read. When you can't read, then you my name Pambola. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Oh, so much things are gonna pass you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Whoa, whoa. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Well, I have to learn how to read, you know. Cause you don't know when I can't read things rough by you. Yeah, you know. Yeah, man. So you go, you know. Can't read the name Pambola.
How much time I tell us that I don't want you?
I move, sir. I say you're sexy, round like a square.
I say something to you now, sir. You see, I hold my head straight when time me pass. Me not see you. Please don't see me. Stop calling to me. You not understanding. You can't. If someone like say, you not understand when time somebody don't want you.
You know, you're going to say, you know, but I know, you know. I can't you pour them boy up so we drive markets and crown on them something like that. But, watch your face, man. I still love you here.
Don't mention that because you walk foot. Stop watch out my life. Stop watch the man them when me there on. Oh, Todd, I'm bright.
I wish you walk go down the road and drop in a pothole and ring your ankle. Right. Auntie. Are you a long time there, so?
You can't me ask about if I know long time I did there, so.
I want you, auntie.
I say I expect to live.
What do you mean?
What you mean? What me mean? Me hear you and me see you.
I just call me there, I call to her, me for the dead man. She don't want me.
She don't want you, but you want her though.
Little bit.
You can't even buy one soap in here for wash your face. And you out there look woman. You know, so me tired of you. Come to think about me tired of you. A time for you go on. Let me come lower. Because me don't want you feel like say me high. You there with me for a little bit. And all me I try with you. You not make no headway. Me tired of you.
I go do better, auntie, man.
Me tired of you.
I go get up earlier morning now.
You sleep free. You eat for free. You all defecate for free. The last time, me have a little reason. I'ma put for you little food. One side, I'ma write your name on it. I'ma write my name on my food, you know. And when me realize you eat for me food, but for me name the pan.
Auntie, watch you know. Me never say for your name.
So you don't know noodle. That your name, sir. That your name noodle.
Antonio, my name, auntie.
So from all along you live here with me, no noodle me call you. So if you say for me name Pambula, you see? And your name Pambula, which one you supposed to eat?
Me fi it fiancé for me.
You fi eat fiancé for me, then have a little sense. You see? If you say your name Pambula, you fi eat it. Eat for your name. Me separate it, but me tell you something, I last I hit this. Me tired of you. Because when me put the things in my house to serve it in them, you eat off for me share, for your share, and everybody share. Me tell you, you have to find somewhere go.
I go find work, auntie.
On a work alone, you have to find somewhere to go. A girl where they talk about this, so ask her to put you up.
Me no drive my Bex.
You know, drive my ex. Me see she come with her two hand and me see she a left with bag. You look at this time I put them sitting here, you pack up and get the girl for good. Me not in that foolishness with you. You have to go on, you have to go on. You have to go on, me tell you. Patrick a complain. Every morning before the Patrick get up and go and work. And he say when he buy the pit them food to serve them for the week, you and yam them out. You can't turn.
I go take that.
No, you have to listen to me. You got to go. You have to go.
Go find
Me
work,
tell you. Me a feed you, me a clothes, me a... Me tell you, bossy. Go on. Go on, me done with you. Go on, me tell you. Tell you, man. Enough is enough.
True, auntie, at all. Supposed to know somebody, you know. I'm the right person. Yeah, man. Yo, Link, man.
Talk to me.
Yeah, man. What go on? No, I'm a police.
What do you mean? Me know say Anthony this man.
I want a link. Yeah, I want a link to a license.
Listen me. Any link when me not have, you know, make yet.
I say you're good. That's why you're the right person then, man. Alright then, so watch you now, no? I want you link up a decent license for me. One nice looking one. You can do that?
No, you way, alright, you way, you want a license, right? We don't have to talk something. Pay for the farm. Take 2 passport size picture. No man, listen no man, tap, rush no man. You sound like you want overtalk me right now. Whisper me there. Me there have Brimla house. Me are wait for somebody with some documents.
So about how much that go cost, you know?
Bring 50 grand there, you know, daddy.
50 $50,000?
Yeah, man. Just check me.
Alright, watch you now. I go put it together and come get a link in idea.
Me in the town right now, Brimla house. Just come down in the town, go to tax office.
Yeah, in our town? Alright, my boss. I go deal with it, you know.
Yeah, man. Just check me. Yeah, I'm bring money with you, you know.
Alright then, cool.
No wrong putting you know. Yeah, man. And then I want that.
Yo, Link man, what go on?
Yeah, man. Good news to find the next one. Yeah, man. Same procedure.
Oh, simple thing that man.
I'm bringing 9 o'clock tomorrow. All right. That's enough. No, yeah. All right, good. Just relax, man.
I have to, I bring me the house.
Oh! No, listen, man. Just walk come over, man. Aye! What on, man? You don't see big old style Bromella house.
You never see it. Big man, me never see it. They know should have tell me she use the thing where someone set someone like a house. And that I know that. Never see that.
So, beef tell us with the big old house.
Yeah, it's in the shape sort like a house.
So what about the road?
Nah, look so high, man. You see something in me eye. Wait.
Alright, anyway, give me documents.
So I don't know what they give me that for.
I want a picture of them there.
Damn, man, me know me left sitting in, man. I channel star. What? You need it, you have it.
No worries, man. That
You can deal with it.
That can stay for last.
Alright.
All I want to know is
Yeah.
this important. You
Right.
pay for this.
Yeah, man.
And the 50 grand. Understand?
Yeah, man. Yep.
Yeah, the 50 grand.
You know, I never left my bag in.
You never finish high school? No, it's the reason why I asked you.
What you talking about, man? Every one I teacher them know me over that thing. So take out fear out of that. Take out fear out of it. Take out. No take out more than the 50, you know.
No, man, we're good.
You sure?
We're good.
Alright. You left, yeah. You left for me right now.
So,
Mm-hmm.
I let me tomorrow 9 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
I'll carry over depot to the big man.
Yeah.
But, nobody owe yet.
Mhm.
How do we give me the look of 50 grand? They still have to do it, yes?
So that no deal with every, no?
No, you have to do it, yes.
So then couldn't just,
No, nobody can write nothing on the paper for you. Because you know why when you go up on the road with the license, attach it because they're on the highway.
but a man, somebody did tell me one time, say, once you pay the money, you're good in it, you don't have to do nothing more, you know.
No.
Then just carry license, go and give you.
No, say work, man. Can't be so. Come on, the money, man, I'll get the answer.
Yeah, but then me can't, as long as the man did it, and we're good, so we're good to go then.
No.
What going on now?
You never fill out them.
Eh? Then how me fi full out the sitting? Then you did tell me say me fi just get the farm and carry come. So see me carry come there.
No, me just go to tax office and pay a fee and collect the farm.
So now that me do?
You have to full out it too.
That never did it.
Alright, yeah. No, nevertheless.
Mm-hmm.
May feel it too.
Yeah.
Where name?
Antonio Williams, man, you just put in that, man.
And I same address where you same way.
Same, yeah. You don't know me that long time.
9 o'clock about.
9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Depot. Link up.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so.
What? Go on, man. Now call the big man, man. Let's go on,
So
man.
if we go left your money?
What you mean?
Oh, you are keeping money?
Go on.
Alright.
9 o'clock. Yeah, man.
Alright.
Wow.
Morning, boss.
Yeah, man.
Here we do this.
Yes, man. No long me I wait for your brethren. Sit down yourself.
Why we are sitting yourself?
What do you mean by why we are sitting down? Oh!
Come just we come in the office.
Yeah, what we know. It's building up there refurbished. And so forth.
Look,
Look,
dress up.
yeah, man, but we are in a tree, yes, sir. Yeah, so cool and nice and well good. Just sit down, man. Just like a school, man. Sit down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, sit down, man. You know, just like when you go to school, my youth. Sit down, man. You know, you see them bencher. Might get bigger, you know, but I see them thing. But I think me you can't even hold. Hold on there.
So yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So,
Where you say, man? So where you say? No, man, enough for me this. I feel.
yeah, enough for you. Just hold the pen. Hold the pen. How what happened?
So yeah, give me your work for, sir.
I know my work. You know the procedure, man. You have to go do a little write up and thing for the stuff and thing. How what happened? What happened?
You sit down right, sir, right?
No, man, I don't have to sit down with you. I'm about the place. You just write everything and give me what happened.
Where you going?
I know my work, but yeah, but you need to say I have to do a little written test for the man. Simple, man. That's right. I have to just follow the instruction. You the right, that's a man.
Where you say me for put pan this?
Just your name, just read the instructions and follow whatever you see. Just your name and address or whatever. Any little thing, just read it something. Not gonna write this up. Just follow the instruction, boss.
Hold on, the boss.
What happened?
I wish me for put my name again. Because I left my glasses now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look right, look here. It's sitting big, big, big. Look, see there? Name, address, DOB, date of birth. Just pull up me something, Virgin and thing. That's it, man. Simple little maths, man. But I write yourself. Then,
Right there, sir, you there.
write yourself. Just hurry up and write something, man. Set up a thing.
You not move from there, sir.
No, no.
You say name, right?
Virgin, look. Oh, I go on. Look on top of the thing, man. You say DOB, gate. What? Sure. DOB.
Hey Siri, spell Anthony Williams.
Anthony Williams.
Hey Siri, spell Anthony Williams.
On the web.
Jesus Christ. What is this a phone? Anthony Williams.
Here's what I found.
Mad. Bossy, watch out now. Sitting around with the paper. Watch out now. You see like I wrong paper me get? Car. Yeah, watch out now.
Yeah, what? Yeah, what? Yeah. Go.
Me no normally. Watch out
Go,
now. Watch
go.
out now. This look hard still, you know. I feel like I wrong paper me get.
Jesus Christ. You want me now? I better cut it. Come the right behind you not talk too low. Me hear everything where you do. Me hear Siri, are your friend. Listen to me.
Girl.
Whatever. Boss man. You look like you have to call your brethren, you know. Because trust me, wherever you want, it's a harder task, my youth. Just go call your brethren, you know. Yeah man, go. Go and go call him, because trust me, this don't look good. This don't look good at all. Not even a A.
But-
What?
So which part? Where's A figure?
Hold on, man. Why, man? No, we can't believe this. Brethren.
Which part the A figure? Yes, sir?
All right. It makes sense to us. Humble and us. Easy now. You have to get a brethren for go deal with it. You know, look too good still.
So we go call him.
Go on, go get a brethren.
And come back here, sir.
Yes, man.
So if we go back on the road in the bus, so we have to deal with this quick, you know.
No worry yourself, man. Because I see what happened. So,
Yeah, man.
why go get your shit?
Brother,
Yo, man, but this time, no.
I'm sitting in my shoe.
I'm not carry on the car, it's in love, big.
All right, yo, you stay.
Hold on.
Yeah, stay right there, sir. Come on, man.
Wow,
Sit down, man. Sit down. Yeah, man. Me say, we put down a little sitting to right if you give man one simple little test. And look there. He blank. Not even a A. He say, when me look at him, man, me see bend down here, so. See me, I tell the serious of his spelling.
really serious, you know.
Yeah, spelling name. But if me say the man not even right A
Yo,
on the
yes, you
thing.
want me to tell you, we can chop a piece of food off of
Yeah,
it.
that me I tell the virgin.
A 50 grand, me get gone, you know.
You what happen still? A PPV license plate, him a look for carry towards him.
Jesus,
So, well, I know.
Regular.
And he so, how we get that for fool, man? Well, I know. Let me show you something. That man they look like he can chop a wicked food off, you know, because guess what?
Like what, so?
Hey, we can't lick all our food off, you know, because you what,
No,
man?
you're talking cars,
Yeah,
we
man,
can
yeah,
get 100 still, you know.
Yeah, what we have to do now? See, you get your share, you know. So I feel my time now, you know. But hold on there. Wait.
No, I won't
Wait,
get it. I won't let her get it.
Yeah, but you get your food, but just hold on and
No,
cut for
only
me.
50, come take it in.
Yeah. You hear me now. Zine? I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, Zine. I'm going to tell him, say, I want half a meal, but now can work for 4 because PPV license plate and easy thing to get. I mean, we get in trouble. So, you what now? If you can collect the food from him, boom, come to me give a piece of food because
No,
work a risk, you know.
No, me can't read, you know. So when you call piece of food, how much that?
You done with that, about that. Sure.
The call piece of food can mean
Yeah,
1,000.
anyway, we have to go see what he must say first, because, you know. All right, so I'll call
Can't
him.
believe it, the man really. I mean, I'm
Look on
gonna
the
write up
paper.
me.
Look on the paper.
Write up me, man. Just ask him.
Not even a little drop come out of my pen. Nothing right. Anyway,
Call him over.
call him over.
Come in.
Yo! Come here, man. Come here. Yo! Come in. Hey. Keep a straight face, you know. Keep a straight face. Can't look, you know. Make you look serious, you know. Come. Hold on.
I'm gonna talk to him. Come on, son. Go.
Alright, you know what? Come on, man. Yo, hold it. Deal with it.
Yo, we can't believe it, sir. Not me and name me on a paper. Me didn't know you couldn't read.
Channel man, can't give me paper clean. I don't want to give me clean, isn't it?
No, I don't say work when they call me, you know, and tell me say you look about license. The reason why I tell you 50 grand, you know, you have to give me 50 post up on the license, you know. Me think a regular license. Listen to me, it's a PPV license. Expensive. Right now the man want 400,000 because you can't read him and go write out all of them.
What?
I did $500,000 and then drop it down.
For this?
You want it or not? Yo, how you think you get tourist and can't read? Next thing you go see, turn here, you go turn this up.
But I can't read general way I do. I just watching it. Me left my glasses and watch it. Remember that fine. You know see that you gave me see sitting good.
Listen to me. This here mean surname. When it says surname, it mean last name. Lord of God, Bridget. Surname mean last name.
Your name, my sir.
What?
Who for last name?
No, my last name. My last name, yeah.
I can't confuse me now.
And your first name.
So I pay your last name figure yourself.
Lord of God, I see why the man have problem with you. Listen to me. 400,000. Just get 400,000 to come and get it. We can't take it. We can't take it straight. Yo. And the first problem we go through with somebody like this.
400,000. Including set 390.
Listen to me. Remember I saying a man can go to prison. Remember, you know, because when you get the license and you see left turn here and you go take a right turn, right? And looking at people, vehicle and police come down and look on the license and ask you, how you get it?
I'm telling you, say buy me.
Lord of God, you can't do that.
You know buy me. So I never free.
No, you drive it.
Oh.
You know, buy license. Yeah, you know, buy license.
So if you tell a lie then.
I don't lie, I tell him.
But me never drive.
No, listen, 400,000. 400,000, do. You can't take it. 100 come out fight. You want more go on it then?
Even 10,000 more?
No, 400,000. A big deal. A prison work at there now. A tourist you have plan to carry now. And once you lick a vehicle with them, you know it's a lawsuit that.
You see, because I want to live a pay this out.
Mm-hmm.
400,000. Yeah man, Tuesday we have the money. Tuesday.
So, go on. Everything alright?
Yeah man.
Everything up?
Yeah man, everything good.
Alright, yeah man.
I say 400.
Yeah man, yeah,
400.
work it. Yeah, work it.
So you can't tell me, look a piece of sitting for that feeling.
No, man, how you say, man? You go the wrong way, man. Remember, I said we chop something, you know. And a lot of things involved. Yeah, man, so if 4 good, man.
400.
Yeah, man, a half of them sitting there, but
400
4 good. Work with the 4. Shh. Bridget, remember, I say, yeah, we're there, man. I dip over there, you have to take time to hold it. And you mentioned nothing about money over here. Make you see, you tell him.
Yeah.
So take off your lunch money?
Boss, man, just make you stay away there, man. Alright? We rest yourself.
400.
Yeah. Shake funny.
Yeah.
So there.
Come on. You know.
Alright, cool. Yeah, man, you're good.
Rough when you carry.
Go on, man, check me.
Rough when you carry. Rough when you carried. Rough when you carried. Rough when you carried. Yeah. Rough when you carried. When you carried, then you have my name Pambola. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Oh, So much things I go past you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Whoa, whoa. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Well, I have to learn how to read, you know. Cause you don't know when I can't
Yeah, man,
read
so
things,
subscribe,
right?
share, like. Yeah, man, do anything you want to do with the movie. And remember, I have a music channel also. It's called J Tsunami Vivo. So you can run go over there. Go subscribe as well. The J spelled D-R-A-E. Tsunami without a T. S-U-N-A-M-I. J Tsunami Vivo. Cause the music as well too, you know. Yeah, man, we can sing to man. Oh, yeah, say, man. So go on over there and go show on the support. Big up on yourself. Just enjoy the one. See? Yes, guys. Thank you for watching. You have made it to the end of the movie. Right? Yeah, man. So this movie in particular, Rough and I Can't Read, it will be 3 more episodes to watch. Right? So I just wanted to hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. So when I drop the other 3 episodes, you'll be notified. Guys, I just want to thank you so much. Just share it. Share it everywhere. Right? Thank you very much. Maggie things.